Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We are working on a package heat pump I installed 3 months ago. And guess what? We're back here. Just had a no heat call. And to my surprise, we're vacuuming the system right now. We just finished replacing an expansion valve that was installed at the factory, but somebody at quality control forgot to push this down, and the fan blade, as you can see, got hold of this power head assembly tubing and did a number right here. See how it can shave the tubing? That's what happened here. So the power head assembly lost its charge and it was closed shut, so it was working fine in the cooling, not in the heating. That's how you determine if it is a Freon leak or a TXU problem. At any rate, we went ahead and replaced the valve right there. That's the bed board is protruding. Now we made sure everything is tucked in, new liquid line dryer, and just in the process of vacuuming the system. Pretty soon ready to be charged. So this is what happens, sometimes brand new unit from the factory can cause all kinds of problems. So anyway, this is Cool Crafters signing off.